So, you've set up your channel, you've practiced in front of the camera, and now, what the heck are you actually going to film? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my previous video, 5 things to consider before starting a YouTube channel, I mentioned that in this week's video, we would be talking all about how to come up with content when you're first starting out on YouTube and actually throughout your YouTube journey. But before we get into the video, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I upload new videos every week all about how you can upgrade your mindset and strategy to confidently leverage video to build the business of your dreams. So enough about that, let's get into the tips. So how do you come up with content when you're very first starting out on YouTube? There are so many things that you could be filming. There's so many videos circulating on the platform. How do you know what you should be creating? Well, my first tip is to ask your audience. The key is to create content that your audience is searching for. So research. Ask your audience what they need, their struggles and pain points. Depending on what level you're at in your business, you may already know them very well, but if you don't, get to know them extremely well. Engage with them constantly and put yourself in their shoes always. Sometimes they may have a question and not even know it yet, so that's when you come in and read between the lines and ask yourself what you would want to see if you were them. Tip number 2 is notice what questions keep coming up. There are always those questions that people ask over and over. Look out for them and keep record of them. YouTube is the second largest search engine, owned by the first, which is Google. Your audience is searching for answers, so make it easy for them. And tip number 3 is research what your audience is talking about. Facebook groups are a great place to do this and are my favorite way to do this because not only are you finding out valuable information from the sources themselves, but you're connecting with people, which could lead to relationships down the line. You could also use other sources such as YouTube predictive search or networking sites or forums, the list goes on. So once you have all of that valuable information gathered, you can now create videos offering solutions. And the way you do this is by creating how-to tutorial videos. How-tos are great for a few reasons. First of all, they have the potential to rank high and are very searchable. Again, YouTube is a search engine. How-tos also help with building that trust factor because not only are you providing your expertise and building your authority, but you're also educating people and providing them value at a time when they need it most. And you're indirectly marketing yourself in the process. In next week's video, I'm going to be going more in depth into how-to videos and the formula behind them, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that one. So those are all of my tips for how to come up with content when you're very first starting out on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and please also feel free to share it with someone who you think can also find it helpful. And if you have any questions about what we discussed today, please go ahead and leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.